So, you love spring rolls, but you want to just change it up a little bit? Well, I got you, because we're going to take our spring rolls and turn it into Korean style spring rolls by adding Korean barbecue, lots of vegetables, and SsamJang. SsamJang is your ultimate condiment sauce that we add to our Korean barbecue lettuce wrap, all wrapped together, so good. And it is your easy peasy snack on the go. And this is perfect to put out for parties. Like everyone will just take one and be so happy and be like, what is this? It's so good. 오늘의 레시피. 아주 간단하고 맛있는 라이스페이퍼 상추쌈 만들기. 오늘도 여러분들과 영어로 함께 하겠습니다. Hi everyone, this is Helen and welcome to Modern Pepper. 안녕하세요, Modern Pepper의 헬렌입니다. The full ingredient list as well as the Korean product links will be listed in the description box below. To make our Korean barbecue lettuce rice paper wrap, we need the following ingredients. SsamJang. SsamJang, you could just buy these green containers, or you can make your own using gochujang and doenjang and a few other ingredients. And I have a video recipe for that, so you could check it out. It's so simple, but so yummy. And here we have thinly sliced red onion, red bell pepper, yellow bell pepper, cucumbers, and carrots. But you could add any vegetable of your choice and some lettuce leaves. Now, you could use any lettuce of your choice. I just want you to cut the bottom core part of the lettuce leaf off. And today we're gonna use ground beef bulgogi. Now, you could use any choice of your Korean barbecue, and if you go to my channel at youtube.com/modernpepper, click on the playlist tab and select Korean BBQ Recipe playlist, and you could pick and choose whatever Korean barbecue you want to use. Alternatively, you could also make Spam soy sauce strips to add to this, which is insanely easy to make, and the recipe link will be in the description box below. But the ground beef bulgogi is inexpensive option that could feed many people, and it is delicious, folks, delicious. And here we have Korean rice. I mixed brown and white grain rice together. Make sure to bring your rice to room temperature as well as the Korean barbecue. If you don't want to make Korean rice for yourself, you could use these microwavable Korean rice. Now, when it comes to rice, you must use Korean rice because not all Asian rice tastes the same, folks. And we need rice paper. So I'm using a smaller one that's about 6 inches in diameter. If you only have the big one, just cut it in half, it'll work just as fine. And on a plate, I want you to add some hot water with some cold water so that the water temperature hovers around 105 degrees or so. Then you want to take your rice paper and literally just dunk it like so. Make sure it's fully submerged and then quickly take it out and put it on a plate. Now, when it comes to working with rice paper, you have to do everything super fast or else this is gonna totally stick and you won't be able to do anything with it. Then we're gonna take our lettuce leaf and we're gonna add just a little bit of rice. If you don't wanna add rice, you don't have to, okay? This is all optional. Just a little bit like that in the center. Then you wanna take your SsamJang, and you know, I like to add a generous amount because this is delicious, and add it like that. Then we're gonna add some carrots, like so. Then some cucumbers, like so. Then some yellow bell pepper, red bell pepper. Then my favorite, some thinly sliced red onions. Now all these vegetables are optional, obviously. Then we're gonna add 1 tablespoon of your ground beef bulgogi, and of course you could add as much as you want or as little as you want, but don't put too much that you can't wrap it. So what you want to do is just wrap lettuce around like that, make it tight as possible, like that. You want to take your rice paper that you soaked earlier, place the rice paper just halfway here. So we're going to pick up the half end of our rice paper like that, pick it up and then fold it over, pick up this end and then wrap it. So you're like wrapping a baby blanket. Nice and snug. Pick this side up and then wrap it. And there we have it. Look at that. Delicious Korean BBQ spring roll rice paper wrap, it's like a bouquet of goodness into your mouth. Go work quickly as possible when you're working with rice paper, always. Look at that. You could put this out as a party platter for your friends and family, and it's like giving them a little bouquet of delicious yumminess that they could just pick up and eat and enjoy. How pretty are they? Cheers, everyone. When it comes to eating this, you can't be shy. You just gotta go in. It's like a party in my mouth. Oh my goodness, the SsamJang is delicious. The bulgogi, oh, wonderful. And then the crunchy, sweet taste of the vegetables we added. It's so good, so simple, so yummy. Now, I know some of you are asking, can you make this ahead of time? You can. If you make it and serve it within a couple of hours of making it at room temperature, it's fine. But once you put this in the refrigerator, the rice paper is gonna get hard and rubbery, as well as the rice filling that we added. So if you must make it the day before because you just don't have the time, once you take it out of the fridge, let it come to room temperature for about a good hour or so, and hopefully the rice and the rice paper won't be as rubbery. But this is really best enjoyed when you have it right away. Wait, don't go anywhere. I need you to go to youtube.com/modernpepper and check out my other rice paper recipes. Salmon wrapped up in rice paper with delicious gochujang and doenjang sauces. Ooh. And rice paper bulgogi mandu, the simplest, easiest mandu that you can make, dumplings using rice paper. Yeah, you need to check those out. And check out my authentic Korean recipes that you could easily replicate at home. I want to thank you for watching today, and if you enjoyed watching today's video, I want to kindly ask you to click on that thumbs up icon and make sure to subscribe if you haven't done so, and hit that notification bell. And perhaps share today's recipe with your friends and family. 여러분 오늘 재밌게 보셨으면 꼭 좋아요 버튼과 구독 버튼도 눌러주세요. 다음 영상에서 꼭 뵙겠습니다. 감사합니다. Alright folks, I will see you in one of the videos you see right here.